Welcome back to another video. In this module, we'll be focusing on how to sell your business with a higher price and with less risk to the buyer. To sell your business, convince the buyer that you have a team that can run the business well after the transaction. The idea for people to buy a business is that they can ease into that business without any tinkering or working in the business. You'll also need to prove that your management team is locked into staying with your company after the acquisition. Next, you need to calculate your company valuation. There are several ways to do that, and in this video, we'll really only cover two. The first is enterprise value, or EV, over earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, or EBITDA. The second way is P over E, or price to earnings ratio. Both of these formulas are under business valuation multiplier. The EV over EBITDA formula is broken down to, again, enterprise value over its earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, while P&E, or P over E, stands for price to earnings ratio. We'll talk more about it in the next module. I'll see you there.